Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Adik,
John,
what's the person car with your diamond?
Diamond.
Okay, maybe a few minutes now. Can I say? If you if I history you form you look into no, you need to my drink.
When the bank,
that's not to the other here to HB. Oh, banking.
Now, free to Ankasa. And you no fee.
No fee.
But Ose,
no fee.
Over our command.
John,
Adik.
Suppose yourself from far away. That's why.
This issue is a very tendentious issue. It should be a ban and saying, it appears the impression is being created, say, a buying, and let me be specific, DIC Nesiga for a bomutrimo pose on Peso Mugu Ghana business ni be Juma. But I think, sir, actually, we are a certain kind of crano, a chair. It is in the interest of the business entity to create a certain narrative, which narrative would satisfy one interest. But Nukre woman said that is entirely not true. The narrative that has been presented for the consumption of the Ghanaian public is not entirely true. Na media mifuasu say DIC took possession of sa facility because mifuasu pa.
Okay.
And I think say no coins one no. Esan say we share Qatar that entitled Great Consolidated Diamond to take partial possession of sa facility Nan you bi wo ho ana clauses bi shishim. Those clauses say enu nana guided the transaction between the DIC and Great Consolidated Diamond in respect of the transfer of Ghana Consolidated Diamond Company Limited to the transferee, in this case the Great Consolidated Diamond Company for who share conditions now, and to borrow the terms that have become popular of late, the conditions precedent now
and are subsequent
conditions precedent there were two conditions precedent and sana yamo power of entry they were supposed to pay $1.7 million constituting commitment fee and also bear 10% of the total amount I yet tons mines which is $70 million. And they were to respond by way of acceptance by June the 6th, 2011. 2011. They wrote back, Omujitu Great Consolidated for they accepted and indeed made the first commitment. $1.7 million. But paragraph 5 of the offer letter actually said, subsequent to sa commitment fee, by the expiration of 60 days, Neso Mutia $5 million as the second installment. Omutia New Year, then DIC can proceed to give them the right of entry and possession of some mine. Unfortunately, Omutia and Usha paragraph 6, HRPF say, in the event you are unable to meet the requirements of paragraph 5, SR 5 million is you shall not have the right to go to court to object the repossession of sa mines by DIC. And usashwe BMA like after, so these are the two conditions precedent. After within 1 year, some are 5.3 and so on and so forth. Great Consolidated for Sika out of the 17 million and as at even last year, interest I accrue we are using the US LIBOR interest rate of +2 18 point something million. From all of these 3.8 million, including commitment fee Now say offer letter interest if you fail to pay 5 million, you cannot proceed to court to object the repossession of some mines by DIC. Now, say, and you see, I felt, say, DIC was even acting in good faith. In fact, Ghana buying, your margin say, ye per se a boom. And they even wavered to somewhat. Sir, 5 million, yeah, now, so much, sir, conditioner, a better 5 million. In fact, your mutu after 1.7, no, Nina account money at 3.82. They decided to grant them partial entry, hoping, say, they will make good their obligations to DIC. They sent them a demand notice. The final one was on the 4th of December last year. Through their lawyers, I can't say, through Law Firm, Cardinal Law Group.
DIC lawyers.
DIC lawyers. Trauma, Great Consolidated, for say, you need, final say, a sum over, no more redeeming or more obligations to DIC. Even though Medicaid, Ebu sa agreement but they were magnanimous enough to give you partial entry or might show demand notices and so on and so forth until they decided to invoke the content of paragraph 13 of the offer letter. HSA. And for the sake of your listeners, let me read verbatim.
I would rather prefer, sir, you summarize it for me. And yes, sir,
no problem.
Kazatinti says, John can top on.
Very well, very well.
Into your baby says, into in all of this, no, Aban acting through SIGA, State and Interest and Governance Authority, Akwakotum, I'm some interim management in
yes.
Now, Nekrakran is saying, are you saying, say, the owners of the entity somewhere court.
Oh yes, but you are even barred by this very offer letter you accepted, not to go to court. But that is for the court to even make a determination. But they are not acting out of their powers. Mikasiga fono. It's in conformity with this very offer letter now. Great Consolidated 4G2 they went ahead to make commitments. Who can paragraph 13? It's very clear. Say when you fail, if they have evidence, say you are unable to meet your payment terms, which indeed Great Consolidated has not met, and now there's evidence that you are unable to show capacity, and now you are in breach of any of the terms of a year, they reserve the right to re-enter, repossess, or even abrogate any such agreement they have with you. And that is precisely what they have done. On the 9th of April 2019, abrogating sa agreement, and you wrote back saying, say, you don't agree. But as to whether you agree or you don't agree, that for me is immaterial, because and I've seen, say, my idea, they've tried to be reasonable. And you say, when you fail to meet your payment terms, they gave you time, demand notice upon them from 2011. Which I say, I mean, the government of Ghana, indeed, in my view, has been very magnanimous. That's why who fail all, you've not taken advantage of all the magnanimity of their chairman. Now, finally, you left government with no option but to take over some mines. And it is in the interest of Ghana, because I don't know, the reason I had the was for you to resuscitate it. Now, and so on and so forth. There is a claim, say, we invested 20 million. And they are expecting to invest some 50 more million. Lana, if you can raise 20 million, purportedly to invest in Sahel, how come you can't even pay 5 million? That's the point. And Sahel investment on Mokekra even remains to be seen. But you see, media and the argument say, oh, it was in a dilapidated state and so on. Why do you think DIC was divesting it? And any challenges are, why would DIC want to divest it? But Omuji Tumu said there were challenges, and you brought your bid, indicating, and with your work program and your proposal said, and this issue of we met in a bad shape is neither here nor there, because that was the very reason why it was divested in the first place. BBT said Ghana Consolidated Diamond Company, ye told 17 million, including a hospital, a school, 17 million, and your excuse for not paying 6.7 million. In fact, initially in Wood Kanabuma, it ought to have been 6.7. We went to 6.7 million. And your excuse is say it was in a bad state and so on and so forth. And you went at Musafi Church Roma, Chief of Staff said, Mom Weaver. Weaver baby. Young Quatia, I see Ghana for a year, we don't help them, but foreigners, they're your mom. If it is about taxes, We can talk about the tax regime after you have taken full ownership by fulfilling.
As if you read my mind, I was coming to that one about taxes and waivers.
No, yes. Oh, foreign companies. Mijitum said that conversation ought to be had, and you can't want them say, if our foreigners are becoming investment fraudsters. They have turned Ghana into a destination where they can perpetrate investment fraud, or enjoy tax holidays now. And sutama, so 3 full taxes now are liquidity. That conversation is there. But where it's not about taxation, it's about ownership of a certain facility belonging to the state. Why we are to give to entitle you full ownership. Now what you say young wave, and I just say young don't know I bet you amount. That's precisely the point. Already you have tissue, you have more chance and so on. You can't say training in Abumo. It was payment in installments. You first pay 1.7, after 60 days you pay 5 million, and after 1 year you pay 5.3. And in that order. We are buying cars at training in Abumu. Went to men this since 2000, by 8 years. Now I buy finally. And if I buy has even been too patient. After 8 years, they decide that we are invoking the clause that entitles us to abrogate winner. Musi Mutikwapai, na you Ghana businesses. Na Ghana for Ghana, if a Ghanaian business is not helping the cause of Ghanaians, and the government doesn't act, Anka Yankra will take on the government. By saying that Abayankasa and share Yenumanusuye. Because diamonds, I'm sure if it is advertised for people to make bids, I am sure we can even get a better bid.
You think so?
Well, I'm just saying. Chairman, I think because hospital inquiry easy.
Possible.
It is institutional and industrial properties, including the mines. Any mines residential facilities in San Yumano. And the chairman, it is my view, sir. If government's purpose for divesting it was to get somebody to resuscitate it, now after 8 years, you couldn't even honor your obligations to the state, much less revive it. Government has every right, especially when he has a chance now under the offer letter to retake it. To abrogate, I told you issues need to be Gambaga de Cabro for the Republic of Gambaga. Share.
UK.
The school anthem so Gambaga Omo.
From Gambaga to
Accra, Gambaga
Kwame Wama Makai school Papa school.
Of course, just like Gambaga being one of the best. Oh yeah, Papa.
But any hona now wanting a bro for no pay. Dino credit.
Gambaga Cabro.
And your hona now Cabro.
Anyway, in the German man maybe I strongly am of the view say I say Ghanaian businesses. But Ghanaian business so as some Ghana mine. And if it becomes a situation say I buy a boa now sebi oh dienya. I think say it is proper say I buy betu one more to rescue yen because it is wholly Ghanaian. It doesn't belong to and yes Ghana government has some shares now obiso entirely Ghanaian enterprise. Now say Juma Yeshri because it is not being resuscitated and Sika said ma buying crash canambano. I think when you know essay etimi encourage ama you can say essay etimi ma are buying the courage to take over what is ours and rethink the way forward. If we can get better Ghanaian investors because I dare say you Ghana for how they can raise Asike.
Oh people.
And Chairman, I am sure you are aware. You talked about telecommunications Wednesday and how we don't have local entrepreneurs in Ghana owning telecommunications.
Yeah.
I think that we need to have more capacity and are genuine. And I dare say if you see we are even going to put together a consortium of Ghanaians to own some mines. I am sure say bit me and that should be the way, but not just give it to Obia or any interest and any capacity. Na in the name of promoting Ghanaian business, that is not the way to go, Chairman.
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet